Hey guys, welcome to College Netted Engineering with Bongani Kumede. So remember last time we did the theoretical part of the holding circuit or retainer. So today we are going to do the practical part of the video. So this is what we call a retainer, but you know from the previous video. So let's go here in my circuit. I've got lamp 1 and lamp 2. And here I've got a contact. I've got contactor 1, contactor 2. Auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2. So check. My lamp 1, the outputs are connected here. And then here we have a start button for motor 1 or lamp 1. Motor 1, lamp 1 is still the same thing. So we have the start button and we have our 3 and we've got our 4. So this is a start button, and then we have 3 and 4. Let's go to the board. When you are in the board, you will see that there's 3 and 4, but there is no connection in between. So when we come back to the circuit, we'll see that there is 3 and 4. Also, there is no connection in between, right? So I'm going to start. I'm going to use this one as my start button. So I'm starting. What is happening is that it's becoming on and off. Contactor energizes and de-energizes. Light switches on and off. Same thing. But when I hold, what is happening? It's magic. Your contactor is remaining energized. Your lamp is turning on. But I need to go and fix other problems. Remember, you're Artisan. You need to go and fix other stuff. So I have to remove. And you can't remove because your production must run. So we are going to introduce on the board a retainer. So this is a retainer, and our retainer will use 13 or 53 because of my auxiliary is 53. Your 53 will be connected to number 3 and your 54 to number 4. So let's come here to the circuit. Okay, first of all let me switch off the whole circuit so that I don't get electrocuted. So if you check here, you will see that you have 53 and 54, 63 and 64. Normally open. NO stand for normally open. So I can use any. Because of when we are here on the board, you can see what we have introduced. It's a normally open of K1. So we have to introduce a normal open 53 and 54. So that when this one energizes, this one will change the contact. So let's come here. What I'm going to do, that I'm going to take 2 wires from this side. Okay. And then I'm gonna connect here on number 53. Okay. Remember, this is an auxiliary contactor, contactor, auxiliary. Then the other wire, I'm going to connect it to number 54. Okay. Okay. So 53, 54. 53 goes to your number 3. Okay, and now it's in. Let's just be careful that it doesn't make loose connection. Remember, I didn't put bootlays and we didn't use proper tools. Just want to get the job done. I just want to show you how it works. Otherwise, for now we're going to use this one. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to plug my whole circuit. Okay, first of all, before I plug, let me just make sure that I explain this again, what I did, so that you get it clear. So my 53, which is this one, the white and green, is on number 3, and my 54, which is this one, is on number 4. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that where's my start? Okay, now the whole circuit is on. So remember I said we're going to use this wire as the start button. So when I do this, what happens is that the whole circuit is being energized, although I've removed my finger. So now as an artisan I can go and fix other machines as well. And when I come to this side also, the start for motor 2 also they become on. Okay, so you can see clearly everything is on, there's no problem, your circuit is running properly. So I'm just gonna disconnect here. So what happened is that when I introduce this one, immediately when here you press this one, energize, it energize, and this one becomes a normally closed now, and here it goes back to its original position. So the original position of a start button, it's a normal open. So that's it for about retainer and holding circuit or holding contact. So make sure that you play around with those ones so that you can be able to know fault finding. Because on a fault finding, when you're busy with treaters, you'll have a situation where your contactor doesn't energize. Then you just have to check those 13 and 14. So let's meet on the next video. Sharp.